So let's do a quick 1 minute of value. If I ask you who is your best friend, you say, oh, my best friend is the guy that likes me, that cares about me. And if I say who is your enemy, you say the person that doesn't like you and stuff like that. Let me just tell you the truth. The truth is, yes, that might be correct, but in this context, in today's conversation, your best friend and your worst enemy is you. And when I say you, I mean the kind of thoughts you feel yourself, because every day around the clock, different thoughts are coming from different places, coming to your heart. Some of them are affirming your life to become better. There are some that are putting you down, they are depressing you, they are making you think that you are a failure already, you cannot achieve anything, you cannot succeed and stuff like that. So anyone you choose to focus your mind on is what will begin to manifest. The Bible says in the book of Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7, it says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so he is, as a man chooseth, so is he. You are who you believe you are. You become who you believe you are. That's why the Bible says, be transformed by the renewing of your mind. I'm not here to quote Bible and give Bible, but I'll be putting Bible because that is the book of life, the book of wisdom. Now, the point I'm trying to make is that if every day what you're focusing on is to get ahead of people, become better than this one, that one, you're competing with people, you're not really doing yourself a lot of good. You should focus on becoming a better version of yourself. When you come to that understanding that you're not competing with anybody, our business in life is not to get ahead of others. So there's this quote I love so much. I'm going to read it to you guys. It is by Stewart Johnson. He said, our business in life is not to get ahead of others, but to get ahead of ourselves, to break our own records, to outstrip our yesterday by today, to do our work, to be more force than ever before, and stay ahead of ourselves. When you change your mentality from what others are doing to focusing on you, your journey, your own business, you begin to see your life improve. So this week and the remaining part of today, I just want you to focus on the kind of things that are coming into your heart. Let them be things that will edify your soul, edify your spirit. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment. I love you guys. Bye for now. Alpha signing out.